Trade of the day. Today is Friday the 14th of February. Happy Valentine's Day to you all. So what was the trade? Well, let's grab an arrow. I had a short here earlier on that I got out when this fair value gap inversed. So this trade here, we followed down and we got out when this fair value gap inversed. I didn't want to get in on the inverse for this long here because the fair value gap was quite large. So I waited for us to come back down into it and retest it. As you can see there, we've got a really nice hammer candle and I entered the trade. What I then done was follow with a virtual stop loss. If you're not sure what a virtual stop loss is, I place a line on the chart. If I get a close below that line, I will then exit the trade and I will just follow structure. So my target was the London high. I moved my stop loss up for all of the lower highs, and until I get a close below that, I will not exit the trade. I eventually got my virtual stop loss to here, but as you can see, it never closed below it when it was there, or there. That then went on to hit TP, which is just here. So that was the trade of the day. This is another trade we took actually in NQ today. Very similar setup. Come down, bounced off a 5-minute, moved up, retested, and then we took that to the previous range high. So that's a separate trade. But as for this one here, super clean. Inverse, retest, virtual stop loss, followed it all the way up until eventually we hit our final take profit. So that was my trade of the day. Friday the 14th. And if you want to learn more about how we trade and why we do what we do, there is a Discord link in the bio. Pop over and say hello. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.